Let me show you how easy it is. Just head into the app and click on Design Agent. From there, tap Script to Storybook. Drop in your story script, and now the fun begins. Choose your illustration dimensions. Want horizontal, vertical, or even standard paper size? It's all there. Next, pick your art style. Whether you love 3D, anime, watercolor, or even classic illustration style, it's all available. Hit Submit, and within seconds, your story is split into pages, each one perfectly illustrated with consistent characters and matching scenes. No design skills, no headache, just magic. Now, if you want to turn this into an actual flipbook, it's just as easy. Click Create Flipbook, select your story, and hit Create Book. Choose your page layout, decide how the text should appear, and even upload your front and back cover. Want to take it further? Add narration. Yes, you can turn your story into a talking book too. It's that powerful. This isn't just for children's books. You can use this AI to build personalized storybooks, design YouTube thumbnails, create clip art, and so much more.